So you want to record content. Welcome to 2025. First of all, shout out to yourself. Ooh, let's go. Second of all, shout out to you for wanting to create content. Welcome to the world of content creation. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shamar Le Breton. I'm a YouTube content creator, but I'm also a content creator on short form content like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like. Now today we want to talk about the people that want to start YouTube but have no idea where to start or what they need to do in order to get started. Now it's not as simple as just taking a camera and recording yourself, although a lot of people like to promote that. I feel like it goes a little bit deeper just because you want to create the most professional, the most good looking channel out there, and there's a lot of steps to do that, but it's not super difficult. It's just more so, setting yourself up for success. Now when starting out, you don't need to figure out everything. It's not a rat race, or it's not like a super sprint where like you need to have everything now or else you can't start, because that's not the message I want to promote. You can start with just an iPhone without having any editing skills or having zero experience recording yourself. However, if you want to start off strong, if you want to start off running, especially when in 2025 there's a lot of other people that also want to create content, and there's a lot of people that you're probably competing with, especially in the niche and the things that you want to focus on. So in order to stand out and push yourself, you want to do these things. Number one, I want to talk about organization and pricing. Now, obviously, before starting anything, you need something to record yourself, whether that's your iPhone, a small compact camera, point and shoot, or a DSLR. It really doesn't matter what you use to record yourself. You need something, and all this stuff is not free. Therefore, I would say first make the mindset that you're going to invest in yourself. Think about these things as investments. Don't think of it as like something you're spending on, that you're never going to get back, because obviously you're using this as tools to get you where you need to go. So if you want to create content, you need things that's going to help you create the content. And even if you don't have the money at all, just know that you have a phone that you use every single day that can record that content. So it may not be as super crispy as the other people that's using 4K cameras or using D-Log or C-Log, S-Log footage, using professional microphones like the one I have here. Really just start out anywhere that you are. But I would say the thing that is almost free, if not very, very cheap, is organization. I use this journal to this day. I got this at Michael's for maybe $10, but I literally write down every single idea that I come up with and the talking points that I need to come up. Reason being is because I'm the type of person who I need to see what I'm going to talk about before I talk about it. I can't just freelance and just speak. I need to organize myself, and I feel like the better your organization is, the better your YouTube channel will become. And that's not just for YouTube, that's also for YouTube Shorts, that's also for TikTok, that's also for Instagram. Be very strategic and very meticulous when it comes to recording content. Like, what do you want to put out and when do you want to put it out? Look at the trends, what is currently trending right now, so that you strategically put that video out so that it can blast towards the algorithm and help you grow. But being very organized in your content would help you tremendously. Before you even buy anything, make sure to organize yourself, figure out what you want to do, and then buy that stuff that's going to help you push that narrative or that niche that you're trying to get out. Now, next up, once you have that, I would say the apps that you need or the applications that's going to help you process things a little bit better outside of the camera gear and the microphones and the lighting, it's mainly going to be your editing tools. Now, for me personally, there are free options out there. Like for video editing, you have iMovie and DaVinci Resolve, I think the free version. Thumbnails and YouTube banners and things like that, you have Canva, which they have a free version online. I would say for me personally, if you are really, really invested in doing this, I would recommend the Adobe Suite, which comes with Photoshop, it comes with Premiere Pro, it comes with After Effects. Video editing is for Premiere Pro, Photoshop is for thumbnails, YouTube banners, and just creating, high quality images like photography or Lightroom. You could use either one, but I prefer Photoshop. And then After Effects, if you want to throw in like, the crazy effects, want to make your content, pop out a little bit more, then you'll use After Effects. I would recommend those if you are a person that is like, your budget is super, super tight. Like you're at $0, you have no time to worry about anything, you have no money to buy anything, then I would focus on Canva, iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, the free version. But if you really want to step up your quality and you really want to step up your content, especially following me because I use a lot of Premiere Pro, I would get the Adobe Suite. Now the cameras I currently use, I made a video on my all camera gear in 2025. You don't necessarily have to use these, but for somebody that wants to start out vlogging, I would recommend the Osmo Pocket 3. Really, really nice. I would also recommend the Sony ZV-1. They have the Mark II that just came out, I believe last year. That camera is nice too, but I do recommend for somebody that's looking to get a vlogging camera and doesn't want to break the bank, you can get the Sony ZV-1, which is a little bit older now, so it might be a little bit cheaper, or you can find good deals. If you have no money for that at all, I would recommend sticking with your iPhone. Use the back camera at least, because that can record 4K quality footage, even though the front can as well, but the front is just not as good as the back camera. So use the back camera at least to create content, especially for TikTok. It just comes out you know, crispier and it comes out more clean opposed to using the front camera. And then lastly, once you have all of that down, it really just comes down to, you know, setting a goal, recording content, and just editing and publishing. Keeping a consistent schedule, really just batch recording if you don't have time. So say you have only one day off, use that to batch record like 4 or 5 videos at a time, and use that during the week to edit and put out video. YouTube has a nice schedule system to where you can upload a video, create everything that you need to do, thumbnails and all of that, and you can schedule a time for that post to come out opposed to having to post it now. So figure out what your schedule is for content. I know a lot of people have a set schedule for their 9 to 5, which is literally 9 to 5. But if you have a certain day off, if you have a weekend off, if you have time where you're not doing anything in your home, record as much content as you can so that during the week you can put stuff out. If you're a type of person that has, you know, you don't have much going on, or you don't have a 9 to 5 and you have more time on your hands, then that's even more time for you to be recording content. Research the niches and the things that are trending right now, and figure out what you want to do. I know that seems easier said than done, because a lot of times it's, oh, a niche, and you know, you got to niche down and you got to figure out what you want. But literally just view the things that you like to watch on YouTube. The thing I recommend most for anybody that struggles with that, you know, kind of question is to figure out the things that you like to watch. So if you're on YouTube and you watch tech gear a lot, or if you watch channels like mine a lot, then technology, camera gear, you know, video editing, that kind of thing is probably more your niche. If you're somebody that's more lifestyle, you like to, you know, watch people vlog their day, or like watch people get their hair done, you know, things like that, then that might be more your niche. You're more in the lifestyle area. So if you don't know what niche you want to create content for, I would say view the things that you like the most in terms of watching content from other people. Not necessarily copy, but be inspired by that and start making ideas based off of that. Then look at the trends that are trending right now and start to create content in that area so that the algorithm would reward you and push you out. Especially with 2025 and how YouTube is pushing out more small creators, I would say now is the time to create content and push it out, especially if you want to blow up on YouTube. Obviously, I'm still on that trend, so we're trying our best here, but I want to help everybody who in 2025 has made the decision that they want to start content. So I'm rooting for you. Push through. You got this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this helped. Again, if you love the video or you like the content, make sure to like and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, guys, again, I'm Shamar Le Breton. Until the next one, peace.